Today we stopped in Petrified Forest and we're gonna go check it out. I guess it's Petrified Forest National Park. We've only got a little bit of time to spend here, but we figured we'd check it out on our way through Albuquerque. So come along for the ride. Hey guys, we're here at Petrified Forest National Park. It's a bit windy, but it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Camera. I've got to hold my hat and the camera, and it's just, yeah.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point.
Hey guys, there's a hell of a windstorm going on. We're getting kind of sprayed by sand and stuff. But out here, we are at the teepees and it's kind of amazing. You got some red and blue rocks.
Spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser, go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days, breathing, we are catching fire. We're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser, go and let
Still not making great progress, time-wise, but we're managing. We did have to cut out Crater of Diamonds, not so much for time, but because of the storm. It's supposed to be a thunderstorm over it like all day today, and we couldn't really wait around for tomorrow. So we're gonna head up and we're gonna try to get to, I think it was Juniper, Oklahoma, right?
Missouri.
Yeah, Juniper, Missouri. And if we can make it there, that'll leave us about a 10-hour trip tomorrow to get up to our friends in Indiana. But yeah, not sure if we'll be able to make that or not.
miss out on the good days, breathing, we are catching fire.
Hey guys, so we're just outside of Shamrock, Texas here. And we're creeping along at like 1 mile an hour. I don't know if there's a wreck or what, but our GPS told us to get off at the exit back there just a little ways because of whatever the road closure up here is. And when we got to the exit, there's a police officer sitting across the exit flagging us by, not letting anybody get off. There was a car that maybe a mile before the exit just shot across the berm, like the median, and got over onto 66 off of 40. And it was like a little minivan thing. Me and Kayla are like, why'd they do that? That was dumb. The exit's right up there. I guess they've played this song and dance before and seen the exits get closed.
Ooh,
Hey guys, so you know how we said there were some delays and the road was closed and junk? Well, they finally took us off of 40, but they won't let us get onto 66 because of a fire in Oklahoma. I guess it's a fairly big one, there's two of them. So now we're on 83 and really have no idea where we're going. We have no service for our GPS, and there's no like detour signs or anything, so I'm just gonna start following big rigs because they should know where they're going. Other than that, yeah, we're kind of lost and there's a fire everywhere. So fun times.
Miss out on the good days. We're catching fire. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's not quite where we were hoping to get to tonight, but it's where we ended up. We ended up having like a 4-hour detour around fires. Kayla said that there was about 200,000 acres that burnt today. There's multiple fires. They had one contained the last we had heard. They had a couple more that were not contained yet. So it kind of threw us off. Sorry we don't have a whole lot of stuff for you to see today. We were just trying to make time. We're trying to get up to our friends in Indiana by tomorrow, so that 4 hours kind of put us off because we were already stretching our drive time today. I think we'll still get there. Once again, it's going to be pushing it, so hopefully nothing else happens. But, you know, come along, come visit with them, and hope you had a great day. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Have a great night.